nasa Taipei. I think we're going to Taipei. Napunta sa airport, waiting for our ride. Yeah, it's gonna be a new experience again. It's my first time here, and let's see what happens. So ako sa hotel, karon I'm gonna find something to eat because I'm hungry. And I think there's a lot of like food stores downstairs, so I'll just go around and explore. Let's see what we find.
号，请到柜台取餐。
So we're gonna order kaya ko gonna try. So kanina sa fried chicken na may seaweed powder. Okay. Black rice pudding. Fried chicken skin. Sweet potato fries. Sorry, anything like fried condensed milk bread or something. And some wings. So try na ito na kung sa'y lamig sa'y lili.
Studios announced that they are delaying Avengers Tuesday and Avengers Secret Wars for May to December releases. Avengers Tuesday is now releasing on December 18th, 2026, moved back from May 1st, 2026, and Avengers Secret Wars is now releasing on December 17th, 2027, moved back from May 7th, 2026.
Yung fried chicken.
The date set for untitled Marvel features having up at the moment. Strange 3, Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness was in early May. Studios are still finalizing the contract for Tom Holland to appear as Spider-Man in each day. Moana coming July 10th, 2026. Spider-Man Brand New Day coming July 31st, 2026. Technically a Sony production.
Hello, it's a new day in Taipei. Damn, my eyes are so puffy. So yeah, it's a new day in Taipei. Maglaglag ko, maglakaw-lakaw, maybe shop, I don't know, some stuff, and let's see. Gabi, nag-food trip me with Sir Erwin. He's a really nice guy. I think he's been here in Taipei for, I'm not sure, but I know it's been a really long time now. He took me around, took me to, different food spots. We ate some dumplings. We had like shaved ice desserts. We had some ice cream. It was a really good time, We talked a lot, and I had a really good time with him. So to Sir Erwin, thank you. Yeah, for now, let's see where we go. So we're currently sa the famous Taipei 101. Yeah, it's nice. Napuday Kodak na rin.
I'll open this back door.
Yep.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Ganyan, walang bayad yan. 20. Tsaka, yung classmate ko nga na the OG Chiang Kai-shek.
OG Chiang Kai-shek.
Mamaya, pwede tayo doon. Gusto mo mag-picture, pwede tayo.
Sige, picture no kay Chiang Kai-shek.
Oo.
Galing mo.
Pupunta. Dinadala ko sila outside Taipei.
Ano, pang sulat ka ba?
Nasulat niya yan. Magsisimula yung araw.
Mura agad. Sama. Sarap. Saan may bike mo, sir?
Doon.
Ah, okay. Walang gulay, walang sobrang linis.
Puro maano siya, hindi siya yung maharina.
Puro carne talaga.
Init talaga. Ako medyo malamig-lamig na yun. Ayan yung ginagawa ng mga tao pag winter. Ito no, sa KBL, ilan hours kayo nagka-training per day?
Sa experience ko last year, twice kami, 2 hours a morning. I mean, max na 2 hours. Usually 1:30 na.
Ano yung
hapon?
Tapos ano yung difference ng training sa umaga at saka sa hapon? Wait, training tapos sa hapon, basketball or...
Pag hapon, sir, usually like team training.
Okay.
Pag morning naman, usually weights. My times weights, my times ball pa din.
Okay.
Solid yung meat ball. Sobrang linis ng lahat.
If I'm not mistaken, ako na CNN ko dati. Hindi yun nakakamali ako. Tsaka maraming kainan dito, mga 30 to 50 years pataas. Lalo na dun sa baba ng cementing. Ito yung pupuntahan natin na beef noodles mamayang gabi. Matagal na rin yun. Tapos open yan 24 hours.
Galing no?
At dati, yung experience mo sa CSB, paano naman yung training doon? Ilang beses sa isang araw, ilang beses yung film session, ilang beses yung on-court, ilang beses yung...
Yung my time naman, twice kami, is yung double ata.
Okay.
Kasi yung pasok ko lang talaga. So, for me, after nun, once na kami.
Once a day.
Pero yung kami, nag-extra kami sa hapon, may free time. Pero once a day, I would say 2 hours or 2 hours plus. Pero solid. May napupuntahan din sa agad mo. Parang ganun ba? Yun yung important eh.
May sistema kasi yung training.
Tsaka napapaisip ko pa. Hindi mo lang mamalayan na, ay, 2 hours na pala. Or minsan kulang pa for me. Parang gusto pa mag-practice eh. Sobrang okay naman. Kasi yung weights pa namin, okay. Kasi Coach Mark, okay, nag-iba na sila. So we had meals here. We had the stinky tofu and some miswa. Tapos we had meatballs there. It was so good. The flavor was so clean. Yeah, I would recommend going there. We had the strawberry mochi with like red bean filling. That was good then. So this place is pretty nice. It's like an old town near the port. and the food's really good. So I recommend going here. It's sarap.
Last night. 这边，然后还有小菜。果lang, kain lang. Ikaw bisita, ikaw turista. Oo, pagtawid ko ng bridge, nandito na ako.
Ganda ng noodles.
That's chewy siya, hindi siya yung lasog-lasog. Tsaka dito, yung sariling luto, tsaka yung kain sa labas, yung presyo, di sobrang nagkakalayo.
Sa Pinas, layo ng kain sa labas. At least dito may option ka lang na hindi siya yung kain sa labas, gaso sa naman natin.
So kaya kami ni Mrs. yung ginagawa namin is pag pagod kami, hindi kain sa labas. Pag hindi kami pagod, hindi luto.
So that wraps it up sa atong vlog here sa Taiwan. I really enjoyed it. Big thanks to Sir Erwin. He's been a really big help for me. Taking me around, bringing me to spots na good food. Just touring me around the city, and he was really, really nice. Just talking to him. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed also sa atong vlog. I just want to thank you guys for watching again. Salamat sa pagtanaw, and just watch out for our next vlog. So thank you all, and see you.